By responding to the industry's complex needs, CRM helps manufacturers and distributors achieve accurate demand forecasting, helping them adapt faster and act smarter in today's marketplace to get products to their customers first and stay ahead of the competition. Improve product quality with access to data and trend reports to be more consistent and efficient. Simplify and optimize business operations to prevent overly complex processes from evolving, and keep customers happy in the process. But that's just the start of what's possible. Manufacturers and distributors win more business with the power of CRM and AI. Sales pipeline management, sales automation, record keeping, contact management, and more significantly improves among manufacturers and distributors who implement CRM. Customer relationships are enriched and business grows. But don't just take it from us. Hear from some of our satisfied customers. Take your manufacturing plant to the next level with the help of leading CRM technology like Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Ledgeview Partners. Unlock your potential at ledgeviewpartners.com.